so here's my son's room before I put anything up. Nothing on the walls. I did put some Pixar stuff on here, but yeah, not much. Just trying to get the Kong out. He loves that thing. If you guys have dogs or anything, I recommend the Kong. Anyway, here's his room before. What the wall looks like right now. Oops. I got the rug that I bought from Amazon, so I'm gonna take this one out and put this one down. So this came, it's not really a comforter. It's for like the back of the couch, but I just thought, you know what? I can't find a comforter that is all the characters, so I found this. So I just thought it would be good, like, you know, decoration on top of the comforter, the actual comforter. So let's do it. Alright, so here's what it looks like. It doesn't cover the whole bed, but I didn't think it would. But yeah, there is actually one. It was a duvet cover, but it was size full, and this is a twin. So I wish that was smaller because it was so cute. It just said Pixar on it and it was gray. But anyway, here's what it looks like. I think it's cool, it's different, and it has a lot of the Pixar characters on it, so I really liked it, and I think this is cuter than any of the comforters that I could have found. Like I said, there wasn't one with all of the characters on it. It was either like a Toy Story 4 one or a Cars one, so I really like this, and it's not even supposed to go on the bed, it's supposed to go on like the back of the couch, but it works. Alright, so finally got the last item up. My husband hung up the shelf. And now I'm going to put these up on the shelf. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed my son's bedroom being transformed into Pixar Pier. And we will see you in the next video. Bye!